Kathleen from Clark's Outdoors. So we all know how important lighting is when you're camping, and the design of this particular one is really good. So it's powered by a lithium-ion battery and it runs these LED lights, which makes it nice and bright. And I'm just going to turn it on and show you how bright it is. So you can see it's pretty good. And it has two light settings, so the second one's a bit dimmer. So what makes this really good is that it stands up by itself, and in the back it also has a folding hook for hanging, and this clever little bit here is a magnet, so it sticks to tent poles and things like that. So also in the front, in behind this flap, is a little power bank, so if you get really stuck you can charge your mobile phones and your tablets from it. Now this whole unit is rechargeable via a USB cable, and it makes a really good addition to your camping equipment. Thanks for watching.